In this video, I'm gonna learn how to create an AI algorithm that can detect when a Rubik's Cube is solved, then send a message to a magnet that releases syrup on me if I can't solve it in 2 minutes. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Frick-Shoot. So I want to make a camera and an algorithm that detects when the Rubik's Cube is solved because I have no friends. So basically, this is the camera, right? The camera watches me solve the Rubik's Cube. And that is in preparation for a video I'm going to do in a couple weeks where I try to learn how to do a Rubik's Cube and then you know the stakes. Let's start up our little Claude window here and go from there. I want to make AI algorithm. Okay, enter. Make this. Basically do this for me. No, I'm kidding. How comfortable are you with coding? Can we say comfortable and just lie? I don't want to. I'm gonna say comfortable. That's a lie. I took 1 semester of computer science then dropped out. What the heck? Added tasks, right? Arduino trapdoor sketch. Raise the solid threshold. Cue quiet sends a safe hold. I have many questions. Too many thresholds. Too many cues. Oh, that says quit. Okay, this seems like a lot. I'm new to coding and robotics despite what I said earlier. So give me something step by step here. Here we go. 0 to syrup trap, a beginner's step-by-step guide. This is perfect. Safety, let's skip that. Fail safe, we can probably skip that too. It looks like it just gave me these couple phases to do, but I need to tell it that I need to use Claude Code because I don't know how to code. So now I have to install Claude Code. How do I do this? Go to PowerShell and paste this. Shouldn't be too hard. Setting up Claude Code, okay. Claude version. What you mean? Maybe I spelled it wrong? Oh my gosh. Yes, now let's go Claude. Dangerously skip permissions. All right, login successful, press enter. Claude can make mistakes, don't care. Yes, I trust this folder. Well, actually, that's my whole computer, so maybe I don't trust this folder. Skip the tour. Yes, I accept. New full screen, don't care. Claude Code is installed. Now what? All right, I'm gonna tell it what I need from it, and then it's just gonna hopefully just do it, right? That's what this does, you know what I mean? That's how this works, let's click. Okay, so it looks like what's gonna happen is a webcam's gonna watch the cube. Python and OpenCV, whatever that is, confirms the cube is solved by checking all 6 box faces. And then it stops this, and then it talks to the latch mechanism. And if it can't be solved in 60 seconds, it'll fall. Oh, it's done. Look at that. Okay, how it works. Heartbeat starts immediately on launch. The 60-second timer starts on the first space, giving you time to position yourself. This is a lot of reading, I'm not gonna lie. All right, so it looks like it wants me to do something. Let's work together to copy paste these things into this other thing here. Here we go. Enter. Obtaining dependent. Holy crap, what's going on? Oh my gosh, dude, I'm hacking the mainframe right now. Oh, you want me to do something else too? Here we go. Enter. Holy shit. What's up? Me? I don't even have a Rubik's Cube, bro. What the Bro, I have to go buy a Rubik's Cube. What am I thinking? I'm gonna do that and be right back. Oh. I was like, it better shut, it better close, dude. All right, we got the Rubik's Cube. It's a couple weeks later, I'll be honest, but shut up. What the heck? How do you even open this thing? Why would they put this in such secure package? Let's not mix this up because I truly would be cooked. That's so cool. It can tell what colors. So if I did this, would it be able to tell? Not super accurately. Move your mouse pointer into a sticker of that color. Look at the HSV number in the corner and then hand those to Claude Code. It's cut off. Okay, we'll make it full screen. What the fuck? Let's see if we can fix this. All right, cool. It does kind of overlay with the other thing, but who cares? Yellow's HSV values are 33, 156, and 200. And what we're doing now is fine tuning what colors it's looking for, and so it won't overlap. Okay, so that should be done. I guess we have to test it probably. So that's only ever red. So this just made it worse. It looks like Claude found an issue with the orange and the white, so I'm gonna give it this, and then I'm also gonna add to Claude Code. Also, orange is picking up as red. Fix these 2 issues. Well, and it's done. Okay, let's give it another shot. Still kind of screwed up. It's even thinking my shirt's like, where's the orange, dog? That's gray. Let me talk to Claude about this. It looks like the earlier version of orange I gave it wasn't very accurate at all. Okay, so let's re-get the HSV values for orange and red. Let's see if this is fixed. Come on, baby. Oh, that's fixed. And we go to red, that's fixed. Back to orange, fixed. Yellow. All right, that's blue. Yellow. And so that was just the debug phase the whole time. This is the full end-to-end test. Hold face to the camera and press space. Oh, do I have to press space every time? It looks like it wants me to start the timer when things are solved. So that's an issue that we need to fix here. All right, looks like it wants me to talk to Claude Code to change some things. 2 things I want to flag before you send it. Oopsies. All right, it's done. Let's see if that improved anything. All right, so we got a 5-minute timer now. So if I press space, it starts the timer. If I show it this side and it goes green, and then I keep switching to each side. Okay, and then it says solved, latch held. Now let's reset and let this 5-minute timer go. Failed, question mark, question mark, question mark, time ran out, latch released. Perfect. Oh, I wasn't holding the mic. It works great. Now what we gotta do is make it connect to a trap door, which I think is actually gonna be the hard part because I don't even know what I mean by trap door. So then if I don't solve this in 5 minutes, this magnet will release, this will crash down on me, it'll have a bunch of syrup in it. Hopefully this red container will open on impact to my head. Now I can see a pretty critical problem here with all these cords and water, but imagine me under it like this, playing my little Rubik's Cube with this going right here. Actually, I should probably not be so close. That thing is gonna come hurtling down at light speed. All right. It works. It literally works. I should switch my major to like rocket science or something, like astronomical engineering or something.